Alright, so I picked up this Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer mobile workbench with solid wood top from Harbor Freight. And normally this thing is $349. I've been watching it for a while. Today is March 15th of 2024, and I got a thing on my phone because I've bought multiple things from Harbor Freight before, where they sent me an update saying, hey, we lowered the price. It is now $289 with this coupon. And I was like, hey. So here in Florence, South Carolina, we have a Harbor Freight, and I went and picked one up. I went ahead and cut the straps off, and as I was taking the top off, I thought, wow, this is a good unboxing. This is pretty cool. So, like, people in the past have said that, you know, Harbor Freight is known for their kind of discount or cheap tools. Not that they're cheap, it's just, it's affordable. I mean, I can't afford the top of the line, this and that. So, anyway, I like this actually. So, I've been stalking it online. Take the top off, and right away I can tell that it's extra packaged. So, we got this little end supports here outside of the styrofoam, which is going to protect the corners. And as I'm unboxing that part, I can see they've done the same thing on the edges to protect the edges. Now, I could just be my normal self and take a knife and cut down the side and rip it open like a Neanderthal. That's kind of what I'm known for. But I'm trying to do this one a little nicer. That one didn't come out. There we go. I'm trying to do this one a little more finesse. That's supposed to be a trick as you get older, as you learn to be a little bit smoother, so you create less work for yourself in the long run. I like the fact that this is packaged with extra styrofoam to sort of protect the finish on the corners and the edges and the front. I mean, I think this is going to be fantastic. I wonder if I need any styrofoam for anything. It's got a lot of styrofoam. Weirdly doesn't have one on this side. But it's not up against anything, so I don't think that matters. Is this loose? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Boom. Looky there. Now the question is, how do I get it out of that bottom piece without breaking it? I don't know. I'm not sure. Plastic. It's shiny. I got an owner's manual and a key to lock it up with. Now I'm just going to figure out how to get this bottom part off. Can I tilt it, or do I need to just break it? I don't want to break it. Or do I? It's locked. I guess I need the key to unlock it so I can open the drawer and get my hand in there. That feels good. Feels solid. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. I got mats in there. That'll protect them from my tools from getting rusty. Alright, I don't think there's a good way to get this off of there like I'd hoped. Oh look, here's my hardware for my rollies. And my handle's right there. Very smooth action on the sliders. get the bottom off without doing something extreme. Do I need to stand it up on end? There's a thought. Let me put that down and I will tilt it. How about that? I'm glad I went ahead and took the stuff out of the drawer. Here we go. While I've got it like this, I could go ahead and put the feet on. Yeah. How about that? Where's my feet? They're in this box. Let's see. I got a handle. And I got some rolly feet. Some nice rollers. Which end do I want to be solid? Probably that end. And then I'll put the pivoting ones on the end with the handle, because the handle goes up here. I can see that. So these will go down here. I'm just gonna pause you guys and then fast forward. Okay, and just like that, I've got the casters on. I put the solid ones on the left and the ones that are gonna pivot on the right. I got a lot of trash to get up, but yeah. It also came with mats that I was able to put at the bottom of each one of these drawers. They all open real smooth. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, Yukon 9-drawer, awesome. Okay, so I was able to empty out my toolbox, this rolling cart, and another rolling cart that I put on the other side of the garage, and everything fit on here. I was able to move my assortment of screws and stuff down and had a little room for my portable stuff to go up top. Of course, this is ever changing. I'm always finding a new place I want things, but for right now, I kind of like this. The goal was so that I would have this open so I could park another vehicle right here. And if you look, the lawnmower is far enough over now. The square silvery aluminum table will have to go somewhere, probably right here for just safekeeping. But these two, I may end up giving those away or selling them. So, but that's where I am right now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Again, Harbor Freight's got this to keep checking the prices. I got this today on sale to whatever it was, $89, $60 off. So yeah, thanks for watching.